afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Afternoon. I'm fine.
So,
I'm fine.
our subject for today is science. And our topic is physical and chemical changes. So, let's start with physical change. Who can read this one? You can unmute your microphone and please read. Hey, everybody.
A physical change is a change in substance that not change what the substance is.
Okay, very good. So it doesn't change what the substance is. In physical change, there will be change in shape. So it will only change the shape, change the size, or change in phase or state. Example of physical change. The first one is melting. Melting is changing from solid to liquid. Can you give me an example of things or materials that we can change from solid to liquid?
Ice melts.
Ice. Okay. Ice is a good example of melting. Next, how about boiling? Boiling is from liquid to gas.
You boil water.
Okay, very good. So when we boil water, we change the liquid to gas. Very good. How about evaporation? It's also from liquid to gas. Evaporation is the process where a liquid change into gas. This process can be hastened by heating. Evaporation can be used to separate a liquid from a solution containing dissolved solids in the liquid. Evaporation is commonly used in the separation of salt from water. Salt dissolved in water, but upon evaporation, the water turns into a gas and solid salt is left behind. Next, we have condensation. It is a change from gas to liquid. A good example will be rain. Next, we have freezing, changing liquid to solid. Example here again is the ice. So we change the water to become ice. Sublimation is from solid to gas. So it is the process where a solid change directly into gas upon heating. It will not change to liquid. It will directly change into gas. And deposition is gas to solid. Physical change might be caused by, number one, grinding. Next, we have cutting. We cut or slice. We use knife or scissor. Next, we have crushing, bending, breaking, heating or cooling. It will be change in phase and squishing. So here are the evidence that a physical change has occurred. Change in shape, change in form, okay, change in size, change in phase. Physical changes are usually reversible. So example of change in shape, we have a wood, a square wood. So we cut the wood. We change the shape, but it is a wood. It doesn't change. For the change in form is when an ice change its state or form from solid ice to liquid water. Next, change in size. Change in size, but still the same ice. What could you do to these items to cause a physical change occur? Let's start with the ice. What can you do with it to have a physical change?
You can melt it.
So from solid water to liquid water. How about this chocolate chip? Okay, to make a physical change, you can grind,
Melt it.
cut, crush, bend, break, heat or cool, or squishing. We can crush, we can break. Okay. How about the orange? What can we do?
We
Push.
can
Squish, yes. What else? If we squeeze,
can
it's still the same orange. Yes, very good. What else?
we need to juice it. We can juice it.
Yeah, use it. Using it is squishing it. We also can cut. So if we slice or cut it into half, is it still orange or it will change to apple?
It's still orange.
Still orange. So there is no change. We have chemical change. Who can read this one?
A chemical change. Is a change in which
Substance.
substance is changed into different substance. So you
You?
change what it is.
Okay. So chemical change is a change in which a substance is changed into different substance. Example here is a marshmallow. Marshmallow. So we apply heat, it will change its substance. Example of chemical changes include first one, burning, rusting, tarnishing, decomposing, and polymerization. So here are different examples of chemical changes. Who wants to read this one?
Chemical changes occur when a chemical reaction causes bonds between atoms to break or to form.
Okay. So there are 5 types of chemical reactions that cause chemical to occur. First one is composition. Two things come together to form something new. It's like A plus B equals AB, or 2H2 plus O2 will form 2H2O. The second one is decomposition reactions. One thing breaks apart to form 2 or more things. So it's the opposite of composition. So AB equals A plus B, and 2H2O to 2H2 plus O2. Next, we have single replacement reaction. Here are some good examples. So one atom replaces another atom. A plus BC will become AC plus B, or A plus BC will become AB plus C. One atom will be separated. and the other one will be replaced. So first, these two were couples. In single replacement reaction, it will change the partner. Oh, sorry, the partner. Next, we have double replacement reaction. Two chemicals switch places. Okay, switch partner. AX plus BY will become AY plus. That's the easiest explanation on how double replacement reaction is. So if you can see here, two pair dancing. When we say double replacement, they will change partners. Next, we have combustion reaction. Okay, ito now. Nana.
Um, a substance
Combines.
combines with oxygen and releases energy.
So a substance combines with oxygen and releases energy. Here are some examples of combustion reaction. Next, chemical change evidence. Evidence that a chemical change has occurred might include, first one, what is the first evidence?
Color
Our
change.
first
Okay,
evidence
color
is
change. So here, there will be change in color. Next,
an odor change,
odor change. Next, we have,
formation of precipitation,
okay, formation of precipitate. You mix two liquid and make a solid. Example, you mix two liquid to make a solid.
acrylic thingy. You put the acrylic and you put the activator and it turns into crystal thingy. It's
Okay,
something.
very good. When you make slime, you mix two liquid together to make a solid. Very good, Atom. Next evidence. Gas is formed or there will be bubbles. Next, change in physical properties. Example, okay, during a chemical change, energy can be released in the form of heat or light. So in these two examples, there is chemical changes happening. When a chemical change occurs, energy is either released or absorbed. Okay, absorbed or released. MJ, can you read this part?
A chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of heat is correct. What is it will read?
Exothermic.
Exothermic.
Okay, thank you. So heat comes out, we call it exothermic. Exo means out, out, and thermic means heat. It will feel hot. Example here is flame or fire. Exothermic. Who wants to read this one?
A chemical reaction that
Absorbs
energy in the form of
heat.
is correct.
Endo.
Endothermic.
Very good. So heat goes in. Endo means in. Thermic means heat. So exo is out. Endo is in. In this chemical reaction, it will feel cold. Okay. Quiz time. Which life cycle is most similar to a chemical change? Why? The grasshopper, or the butterfly life cycle? Which one is a chemical change?
The butterfly thingy.
Okay, very good. Why?
Because it's changed from eggs and it's changed into worm. I don't know what is that. I will
Larva.
say it worm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
And
So,
it's changed into thingy and it's changed to butterfly.
very good. And in grasshopper, a physical change in size, but still the same grasshopper. Very good. Next, what type of reaction is most likely occurring here? What is this? Do you know what is this?
It's
Egg.
It's
egg.
an egg.
Cooking
Okay, it's a
egg.
sunny side up egg. So is this a
Egg.
chemical or physical change?
It's a chemical change.
Okay, chemical change. Why? Because it changed from.
Egg into
It changed
egg.
from raw egg to egg.
Okay, very good. Next. How about here? What type of reaction is most likely occurring here?
Physical change.
Okay, physical change. How did you know or how do you know?
Because it's changed into solid and it's changed into water.
Okay, from solid water to liquid water. Very good. Okay, so that's the end of my PowerPoint. You have any questions?
No.
No? So what do we call when energy is released out? A chemical reaction that releases energy. What do we call that one? What do we call exothermic or
Wait.
endothermic?
It's half like my thing.
Exothermic or endothermic? I will give you the choices.
No.
Exo or
It's
endo?
Exo.
Okay, it's exothermic. How about when energy is absorbed? It's in exo or endothermic?
Wait, what is your question again?
Endothermic is absorbing energy and exo thingy is not absorbing energy.
Okay, so exo is releasing, endo is absorbing energy. Very good. Somebody typed in endothermic. Very good. So that's all for today, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
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 Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye.